guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, it is the 18th of June, and there is a lot of news that has come out literally overnight. Again, a lot of liquidations in the market. Literally, the entire crypto market has crashed. We're going to go over the possible reasons why. There's been a shitload of outflows from the Bitcoin ETFs as well, which is crazy. We have had an SEC official literally leave the SEC, and that's crypto division, after 9 years, which is insane. Yes, we've got Ethereum price predictions because the ETFs will start trading in a couple of weeks. The exchange traded funds, I should say. Germany Stock Exchange putting out a $10 XRP price prediction. How good is that? And Tether launching a gold-backed stablecoin. Absolutely wild, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, and I do want to say thank you to all of you as well for recommending some awesome recipes in the video yesterday. You guys are legends, right? I've had all kinds of suggestions. The main ones I'm going to try actually to get over this freaking cold that I'm currently battling at the moment is turmeric and lemon and honey. We'll see how we go with this. I'll give it a try. At this point in time, the weather is so bad here in Melbourne that I'm just literally going to give anything a go at the moment because this is driving me crazy. Anyway, I'm getting through it. New sweater as well, by the way, keeping me warm. This is what happens in Melbourne. It's absolutely freezing. I went for a walk this morning and it was 1 degree. It was ice. Anyway, let's get into the video, guys. And I'm going to go over my bots as well with 3 commas, which have taken an absolute beating today with the leverage ones, but the spot trading ones still going. All right. Anyway, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting pretty heated in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything at all. It is down there. Would really help me out. Thank you very much, legends. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence for this stuff, right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. All right, let's get into the news community tab today. And actual fact, I didn't even do one today because I've just been so busy at work. But let's go to the portfolio. Top altcoins literally in my portfolio today. We've had Ravane, Ubix Network, OMI token, and XRP. That is freaking bullish. Now going to market cap, 2.37 trillion. It is down nearly 3% today, which is a lot. However, the volume is back up to 96.01 billion. So, people are buying the dip. This is what happens, every freaking time. 104% it is up today. 54% Bitcoin dominance and 55 on the Fear and Greed Index. Bitcoin's currently trading at $65,431, down 0.35% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum's down 2% to 3,425. Solana's down 4% as well, $137. XRP's in the green. How good is that? That is bullish. Toncoin, $7.29, down 4%. Cardano, 6% down 37 cents. Doge is down 8%. There are some incredible buying opportunities. When I look at this, you could literally invest your money and make 10% overnight when the market corrects itself, but not financial advice, right? Anyway, having a quick look, Aptos, $6.89. We have HBAR at 7 cents. XLM is at 9 cents. Nice. Immutable X at $1.46. Optimism at $1.80. There are buying opportunities in my opinion. Ondo's at $1.11. Where's Sui? Actually, we'll get to that. Theta is at $1.40. Did I pass Sui? Yes, I did. 81 cents. That's a gem. We've got Algos at 13 cents. Say's at 35 cents. Quant is at $76. This is getting to my buy. I kid you not. If it hits 60, I'm buying. It's as simple as that. Axe is at $5.90. Let's have a look here. Ethereum name service. I was looking at this, $22 today. WorldCoin, $2.71. Let's have a look here and see if we can find some other gems. XDC, of course, at 3 cents. That is unbelievable. IOTA's at 16 cents. And where is Casper today? Let's have a look and see where Casper is. Keep scrolling down. Has that dropped? There it is, at 2 cents. That is a gem. top 200 coins right there for sure. Anyway, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, I do have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. We're at 930 odd members now, which is awesome. Go join up. You can join up the free version, or you can get the paid one where you can get access to all my dividend investing and my trading bots with 3 commas. Go join up, guys. It's a really bullish community. I am going to be posting up some stuff there as well in the community tab, because I'm just rejigging my dividend stock portfolio as well. I'm trying to put a sell order in at the moment on my broker, and it's just not happening. So I'm working that out. But once I do this, that capital is going to go into a stock, which I'm going to disclose in the Wall Street Bull University tonight. And it's going to be incredibly bullish. So go join up, guys. There's a lot of cool stuff in there. Useful information, 2,075 posts. That's a lot. It's a lot of work to do that. So again, just join up. It's incredible. I want everybody to benefit from this, what I'm doing. So you will not regret it. All right, go join up. Having a look at 3 commas now. Again, my leverage bots basically have switched off. They've taken an absolute beating today. It is what it is. However, as I told you, these spot trading bots are still trading for me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Very, very nice to see that, okay? So again, I'm going to allow these to continue to trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is the best way to trade the markets, in my opinion. You literally set and forget. Let the bots do their thing, okay? Now, again, everything for 3 commas is linked below. Join up if you want to do that. You'll get a discount on the membership, by the way. My subscribers will get a discount of 10% on the monthly subscription and like 25 to 30% on the yearly subscription. So go join up. Here are, the market's down, so just let that one... It is what it is. The bots are still trading. I've got 15 positions opened up here on OKX. Very, very nice, all right? And again, OKX is a partner of the channel, as well as 3 commas. So very, very nice stuff right there. That's why I love trading with 3 commas on OKX. Now, crypto bubbles, it is a freaking sea of red. I don't even need to go through this because I'm not going to waste everyone's time. There's just buying opportunities. Seriously, when in doubt, zoom out, go to the year. I don't need to say anymore. Solana's still up 768%. Bonk 6,500, which is just insanity. Jasmine's 767. Floki is 670. Casper's 582. Pendle's 881. Toncoin 418. It's just nice to see this. You got to zoom out when there's a lot of market volatility, right? Realize the bigger picture here, because a lot of people just get panicked and they run like the hill. They run like the wind. You can't do that, guys. You've got to focus. Think of real utility. Anyway, let's get to the news. I want to get this video quick. Binance's volatility is obviously falling, and it's will continue as it matures. This is from Fidelity. All right, so the crypto market is already showing signs of maturity as its volatility drops to an all-time lows in the yearly scale. This report says, so Bitcoin is becoming less volatile. I agree, as a digital asset matures, and the crypto volatility has reached new all-time lows as on a yearly scale, Fidelity noted. And Fidelity said Bitcoin has been less volatile than Netflix over the past 2 years. And I honestly have to agree with that comment. It is becoming like, a traditional stock or an investment, okay? It's less volatile. This is what we want. It's growing. Now, obviously, people have to understand it. It's still in its infancy. It's still very early. Be patient, okay? The only thing that's pissing me off as well today, we have had $581 million, in weekly outflows amid the hawkish than expected FMOC meeting, which is just annoying. And yes, the Bitcoin exchange traded funds have witnessed a combined $580 million in net outflows last week, which is crazy. For the first time in 5 weeks, Grayscale converted the GBTC ETF led the outflows of $273 million. Thank you, Grayscale, yet again. And followed by ARK, and Fidelity's FBTC, which registered $149 million of outflows, and of course $146 million in net outflows respectively, which is just crazy. A lot of money. And they were on a 19-day record positive, flow, which was nice because we had a lot of inflows coming in right now. And the run has come to an end last Monday with $64 million in net outflows following drop in Bitcoin's price. It is what it is. Focus on the real world, utility of these assets that we're investing. People need to be patient with it. Just stay focused. It's still very early. And again, don't go and investing stupid amounts of money if you're going to be panicking, because this is what I see in a lot of people. They just sell because they can't handle it. Stay bullish, all right? SEC head of crypto, this is crazy, has literally departed the SEC. David Hirsch, the head of the United States Securities Exchange Commission Crypto Asset and Cyber Unit, in the Division of Enforcement, has left the agency after nearly 9 years. And this is crazy, but the head of the United States SEC cyber unit, basically in crypto, left, and this past Friday was my last day with the SEC after almost 9 years. David Hirsch wrote on LinkedIn, during that time I had the opportunity to work with more complex, challenging investigations, probably Ripple, right? And issues that I have never ever imagined when I joined the agency and as staff attorney at Fort Worth Regional Office. I'm particularly proud of the historic work done by the crypto assets and cyber unit team I had the privilege to lead. Now, I wonder if he's going to go to the private sector and end up joining one of these crypto companies. What are the odds? Could you imagine? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below about that. Yes, Ethereum Bulls eye off $5,000 price target because, you know, the ETFs could go live 2nd of July. That is very, very bullish. And again, I'm not going to go too much into this, but yes, they could be literally trading on Wall Street on the 2nd of July. Eric from Bloomberg has stated that, so that's going to be incredibly bullish as well. Germany Stock Exchange predicting a $10 XRP. I love my XRP price predictions. We love to have a bit of fun while there's a lot of chaos in the markets, right? Excuse me. In line with this, the Frankfurt Stock Exchange in Germany announced a significant rise in XRP. And the report by the CEO of Tokentus Investment AG, Oliver Michael, suggested that the asset might surge by more than 2,000% later this year. And Michael noticed that the XRP differs from Ethereum and Solana. Unlike these cryptos, XRP has shown little change over the last year, but from 2014 to 2017, the altcoin formed a wedge pattern, resulting in a 4,300% spike. That is insane. Go look that up. Tether launches literally today as well, the gold-backed US dollar stablecoin. Excuse me, my nose is driving me crazy, as you can hear. Again, this is awesome. Tether is introducing a gold-backed stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. It is the first tethered asset the issuer declared. The new coin is called Aloy, AUSDT, and is mintable on the new Aloy by Tether platform, which is nice. And according to the company, Aloy will be over-collateralized by Tether Gold, XAUT, a token that provides ownership of physical gold but pegged to the US dollar. By definition, the new token is a synthetic dollar, which is designed to mimic the value and functionality of the US dollar without being directly backed by it. And Aloy is explained on X Post. Aloy by Tether provides long-term holders with the opportunity to maintain exposure to gold, while in parallel obtaining dollar-referenced tethered asset for payments and by day-to-day economy. This is incredible. This is the future, guys. So we're going to have a gold-backed stablecoin. Will you guys actually use this? Let me know in the comments below. Net inflow, I should say. Well, there's a lot of outflows, but let's have a look where the money's going tonight. We've got XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana. We have XMR Monero. We have ICP, Injective, Valo, AVAX. Nice. Okay, let's get into X and end up on here, guys. I want to keep this video short tonight. And that is a cute puppy right there. Thank you to everyone that's followed me on X. I really appreciate it. Having a listen to Larry Fink, BlackRock. Have a listen to this, all right?
Source of private sector financing, and unlocking that money requires a different approach than the bank balance sheet model of yesterday. There's still a lot of work to be done, but reform over the past 8 months have resulted in billions of dollars of new dollars for the developing country's infrastructure. That's what you saw last week with the announcement of the Investor Coalition. BlackRock, GIP, KKR, and other major firms will deploy $25 billion into Asia's emerging economies. In a way, it's an Indo-Pacific counterpoint to Italy's BACKED plan, which is helping African economies grow, and that's important. Every country in the world needs a growth strategy. But if I could convey one more important message today, it would be the countries that need growth most right now are not just emerging economies. Great economic powers, including the G7, are in fact on the list and need growth going forward. All of us are staring down a growth dilemma. Whether we solve it or not, it's a significant economic fork in the road for our countries. Today, the G7 average debt to GDP is 129%. No matter how much we tax, how much we cut or reduce that debt, it will not be enough. The only way we can achieve this future of growth is by truly growing out of it. But just growth is becoming more important because we need to be focusing on our fiscal health. It is also becoming much more difficult to achieve. Within 25 years, most of the G7 countries will be on demographic downslope. Working age population will decline. The ceiling on growth will get lower and lower. This is why building new infrastructure is critical, especially through public-private partnerships. Infrastructure investments is a counterforce to the high...
New infrastructure. Yeah, get it. Cryptocurrencies. Yes, that's a bullish dog. Fear and Greed Index sitting at 74. Yes, Ash Crypto's given a good breakdown of what's actually happened today, but I'm incredibly bullish on it. Yes, the gold-backed stablecoin is nice. I can't wait for that. And yeah, there's been a lot going on in the crypto markets, and especially in Australia as well. We literally have our first Bitcoin spot ETF, which was, excuse me, approved. Here is the Alloy, by the way. Have a look at this. Oh, gosh, let me bring this up. Sorry, guys. This is the Tether gold-backed stablecoin. This is going to be really cool. Have a listen to this, guys. Let me bring it up. Sorry about that. Here we are.
Introducing Alloy by Tether, the first tethered asset. But what is a tethered asset? It's a new type of digital asset that aims to follow a price of another asset closely using different strategies, including over-collateralization and secondary market liquidity pools. AUSDT is the first Alloy by Tether product that aims to track the value of the US dollar using Tether gold as collateral. Let's redefine the concept of stability together.
That's so cool. That's freaking awesome. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for today. There's not much happening other than, what I just went through anyway. But the big news, obviously, yes, there's been a lot of outflows that have occurred in the markets. The SEC former crypto directors left. Again, stablecoin backed by gold, which is nice. And of course, prediction for XRP going to $10. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. But that is very much the news for today. Anyway, I'm going to be keeping everyone updated in the Patreon. So if you haven't joined, go join up. Even if you're free, it doesn't matter. Just join up, guys. It's a really incredible community that I'm building right here, all right? Take care of yourselves. I'll speak to everyone soon. Peace out. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning if it's morning. Have an espresso. Peace out, bulls. Bye.